Now, Mrs. Johns, you've lived a very long life. I want you to tell me about how things were in the 30s and 40s.
30s and 40s, so I've got to work that one out. I was born in 1922, so 1930 I'd only be 8. So that's not much good. 1940s I'd be
18.
18. I would have just left school.
At Westcliff-on-Sea?
Westcliff-on-Sea, Alexandra College for young ladies. My head teacher was called Miss LePage. And the war broke out that year, 1939, when I joined the Red Cross for a year, and then went to Basingstoke, Overton, where I went into the Bank of England.
OK, well, thank you very much. We'll bring you another episode shortly.